Hi friends, today we are going to unbox Samsung M31 Prime Edition and I bought this from Amazon Great Indian Festival 2020 and the actual MRP of this phone is 19,999 and the deal of the day is 16,499 and prime discount cashback I got ₹1,000 and I also applied for 10% HDFC discount of 1,649 and at last I got this phone at 13,850 and it is actually a big deal from the Amazon. The phone is powered by Samsung Exynos 9611 and quad-core processor. It has got a good GB RAM, that is 6 GB RAM, and a good storage of 128 GB. And the phone has got a good camera, that is 64 MB, 8 MB, 5 MB and 5 MB quad rear camera and a front camera of 32 MB. Then it also has got a Super AMOLED LED display and it has got a 6000 mAh battery and it has also got inbox of a 15-watt fast charger and it is a pure make for India product. Now we are going to unbox the case. Wow, here comes the Samsung M31 Prime Edition. It is really an amazing phone. And the case also contains a box and it contains the booklet. It also contains a SIM injection pin. Phone comes with a fast charger of 15 watt and it also contains a USB-C type cable. This is the ocean blue variant of Samsung M31 Prime Edition and this is the quad camera setup and it has got a 64 megapixel rear camera and this is the fingerprint sensor. And coming to the front side, this is the front camera, it is 32 MP and on the side we have the volume button as well as the power on and off button and we also have got the 32 mm jack and a point for the charging unit and this for the speaker. Now we are going to switch on the phone. and this is the home screen of Samsung phone. And going to the menu, we have many inbuilt Amazon apps, Amazon Music, Prime and Amazon Kindle, and we also have the drop down panel. It contains all the main features of Amazon Samsung phone. And that's all for today's unboxing video, and please do like, subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries you can put as a comment on the video, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.